Unit 10 Vocabulary. Relentless. Despite his poor tryout performance, Joe's coach decided to give him a second chance on the team. He saw Joe relentlessly practicing each day after school to try and improve his areas of weakness, so he thought that type of dedication deserved a spot on the team. Renegade. A renegade must be prepared to accept that people will disagree with their lifestyle, and others will question why they chose not to follow rules. Retribution. Sue sought retribution against the company after they stole her idea, sold it for millions, and gave her no credit. Her attempt to get back at them was in vain, and she was left jobless. Stultify. At the end of the school year, the heat stultifies the student's ability to learn. Hot, unmoving air is not a conducive learning environment for students. Venture. Even though it required him to risk his life savings, Bill decided to embark on a new business venture to start his own catering company. Ambivalent. When her ex-boyfriend asked to get back together, Miranda was ambivalent. On one hand, she still had feelings for him, but on the other, she hadn't forgiven him for hurting her. Assent. Devin spent many weeks deciding which college to attend. After much thought, he assented with his parents and decided to attend school in California, as they recommended. Conclusive. Jane struggled to decide whether she should cancel her outdoor party. While she didn't always trust the weatherman, she was given conclusive evidence of the upcoming storm as lightning streaked across the sky. Concur. The entire student body concurred that Harry and Stephanie were the ugliest prom outfits of the year. Not a single person complimented their odd fashion sense. Condescend. I despise watching customers act condescending toward waitresses and other customer service workers. No one should feel that they are better than any other person and treat that person poorly due to a job. Corroborate. The police officer pulled over the girl for speeding in a residential area. The girl's mother corroborated the story by admitting that her daughter always drove too fast through the neighborhood. Deviate. My aunt has planned out my cousin's life since his birth, what friends he should have, what college he should attend, and what job he should go into. However, he deviated from his mother's plan when he decided to take a gap year and travel the world for a year before attending college. Digress. A weakness in my writing is that I often digress from the main thesis statement. I need to remember to focus on exactly what I am writing about and not go off on tangents. Discrepancy. My friend group faced a great discrepancy when it came to which shore town we should rent a house in for the summer. Half my friends wanted to stay in Wildwood while the others wanted to stay in Sea Isle. Dissent. Martin Luther King Jr. and other civil rights leaders dissented against racial policies that segregated Americans for so long. After much hard work and perseverance, they were eventually successful.